hope the car doesn't get too fucked up.
Holy shit, look at the street. Oh my god. Oh, that's definitely hail damage on a new car. Oh, yeah, you want to go wrecking this? Oh, shit.
No, I don't want to go wrecking it.
Holy fuck.
Damn.
Oh, shit, look how hard it's hitting the house. Ooh, that's cracked windshield shit.
Don't crack the work windshield.
Oh my god, there's a ball of ice by your truck that looks like a tennis ball.
Oh, I see it.
I can't go out there and get that shit. Holy fuck. Look at that shit you just hit our car. Texas is fucked up. Look at the power line. Oh. Oh, god damn.
Oh, my car's at the shop just sitting there, you know?
Yeah, but you might not be getting like this. Oh, shit!
Oh, right on the top.
Oh!
It's okay,
Woody. Oh my god.
Oh, ooh, oh my god, guys. Ooh, ooh. Ooh. Oh. Shit. Look at these fucking, what the fuck? I'm not going out. I know.
It's okay, buddy.
Oh.
It's okay, it's fine. It's okay, Woody. Careful, babe. He's kind of swirling right now. Oh my god.
Oh, they're hitting the fucking hood of the car bad.
Yeah, they are.
Damn, baby.
Hush. Hush. Hush.
Oh my god.
Dude, babe, this is bad. I'm glad we're recording this. We might need it for insurance or something. Dude, it opened your gas tank. Dude, this is a nightmare, guys. Sorry.